Hey everybody, Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So anyways, I want to tell you about a very simple drink you can make in a hurry. If you don't want to prepare a bunch of different ingredients and play chemist making yourself a drink, this is the Tequila Sunrise. Now a little story, I used to drink Tequila Sunrise many decades ago. I don't even want to say how many. With my old buddies, Tom Hickey, Tim Miller. We used to drink this stuff with this stuff. I mean, now that we've gotten older, our tastes have improved. I mean, I won't even touch this anymore. This is not tequila. This is mixto, 51%. And this is all high fructose corn syrup, red dye number 40. Anyways, I do a video that tells you how to make your own grenadine, and that's what you should use. But I mean, in a pinch, you might have to use it. But if you can order good grenadines. I mean, and also, I'm going to show you how to improve the Tequila Sunrise. I mean, it's very easy to improve your Tequila Sunrise. All you have to do is get a good tequila, get a good grenadine. God. Okay. So I want to use a good tequila. So I'm trying to think, what should I use? So I'm thinking, my buddy Boris and Urata, my friends Boris and Urata, gave me this El Mayor is good. But this is good. It's a good reposado. This is good straight. I mean, it's good for sipping too. So I'd rather use a Blanco. Okay. Now I could use the 123 organic that Mitch and Michelle gave me. But again, let's use something a little bit more mainstream. I mean, I'm going to use Espolon. Espolon is a good, inexpensive tequila. I think it was like 23 bucks, somewhere around there. And it's very good. I think you will like it. Okay. Now also, to improve your Tequila Sunrise, all you have to do is get a good tequila, get some good grenadine. I mean, there are people out there who sell good grenadine, or just make it yourself. It's not that hard. It's really simple. Again, grenadine is just pomegranate syrup. Okay, out of a palm wonderful juice, I made a syrup, and I'll have a link to how I did that near the end of the video. So look for that. And I used fresh squeezed orange juice, and then I strained the pulp out a few times. So this is your improved Tequila Sunrise. Now, I certainly have learned a lot of things since we were younger. I learned not to drink and drive. I mean, I don't want to say I support, but I condone drinking at home. Staying at home so you don't have to drink and drive. You don't have to go out there and possibly injure yourself, injure others. So that's why I'm advocating drinking at home. So I'm showing you how to make things at home that are good. Let's begin. This is so simple. I mean, all we're going to do is we're going to get a glass out of our chiller. Now, like I always keep telling you, if you don't have a chiller, just simply put some ice in your glass, set it aside while you're making the drink. Is that simple or what? Okay, let's get some ice out of our whiz-bang fancy ice maker. Okay, to our iced up shaker, we're just going to add 2 ounces of Espolon tequila. Now, you don't have to shake this. You can actually stir it, but I like to shake it with any type of fruit juices. I like to shake things, okay? And also, it'll give it a little more volume because the ice will dilute and it'll give us a little more volume too. Okay, and to that, we're just going to add 2 ounces of our fresh squeezed orange juice. And then give that a shake for like 10 seconds. Smile while you're doing it. Above your shoulder. Try not to look goofy. Okay. Now we're still going to grab ourselves a strainer and pour that in our glass there. Okay, then simply I have homemade grenadine, which is merely, like I said, pomegranate syrup, but homemade is so much better. I mean, that stuff, no. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to pour it down the side. Now if you're pouring it from a bottle or from something or a little bottle, you can pour it at the back of a spoon. But if you're pouring it from a squeeze bottle like this, I can just pour it at the back of the glass. About half an ounce. A few good streams in there, okay? I can see it all flying down to the bottom, okay. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to give it a quick stir, just to kind of help that little then you see the sunrise or rise up from the bottom, okay. And then what I like to do is I like to garnish it with an orange slice, and I spare a cherry in the center. I have what? Rainier cherry. Those must be in season. Those are in my fridge. Okay, then I put that on there. And then what we do next, we give it a whirl. It's up to the brim, Ray. It's overflowing. Take a sip. Oh, wow. That is good. That is so much better than what I remember, you know. Like I said, you get older, your tastes get better, you get smarter too. I mean, this is a lot better. This is good tequila. Homemade grenadine is very good for you. And then I get my vitamin C with the orange juice, and I get my fruits and vegetables with a cherry. Okay. So this is very simple. I would like you to subscribe to me. If you subscribe and hit the bell next to it, then you're privy to all the stuff that I've done before, and then you're alerted every time I put out a fresh video. And how cool is that? So I want you to write back to me and tell me, did you used to drink Tequila Sunrise when you were young? What did you used to drink when you were younger? I want to know, okay? So somebody comment, damn it. Send me a damn comment. Just go back down to the, scroll down where it says comments, and shoot me back something. Tell me what you used to drink when you were young, okay? So until next time, my friends, remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch up with you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later. Wow. I'll catch you. You know, I really don't understand that Espolon label. It's like a skeleton riding a big chicken with a spear. I can't figure it out. But they have different labels on different bottles of tequila. But I almost kind of want a t-shirt. I don't understand it, but I think it's kind of cool. Anyways. How'd I do, Colin, boy? I don't know, Ray. Don't bother me. I'm tired.